Hi everyone, welcome to Veracity's Quick Tips. My name is Anup Kharka and I'm the architecture lead here at Veracity Industrial Networks. Today I'm going to be talking about a feature we have called Chainsets. It's a feature that's turned off by default, but it can be turned on via a toggle through our configuration page right here. Once this feature is turned on, the management of chainsets, like creating a chainset, viewing or editing changes within a chainset, and ultimately applying or rejecting a chainset, is done via our chainset management page right here. So a chainset essentially is a holding area where all the traffic control changes like rules creation and deletion are accumulated as drafts pending approval by an admin. The idea is to give the admin the ability to review the traffic control changes made by themselves or by some other superuser account, pick and choose the changes, and approve or reject the entire chain set. So without further ado, let me do a quick demo to explain how this feature works. First, we'll go to our configuration page and turn on the chain sets feature. Now for the chain sets to be effective, in addition to turning on the chain sets feature via our configuration page, there has to be at least one chain set present in the system as well. So we'll come to the chain set management page here and see if we have any chain sets. And right now, as you can see, we don't have any chain set, and the active chain set is marked as none. So let's create a new chain set, and we'll just name it as test for now. And you can see that a chain set called test was created with 0 changes right now, and you can see that the active chain set was also marked as test. So let's go to our policy management page to see what all rules we already have in the system. So right now it looks like we only have one rule to allow ICMP traffic between these two devices. So let's say we don't like this rule and we do not want to allow this rule anymore. So let's say we come here and we delete this rule. Generally, if the chainset feature is not turned on, this action is permanent. So if you delete the rule, that rule would be permanently deleted. But with chainsets feature turned on, the deletion actually went to the pending rules section. So you can see that the rule did not get deleted, it just got marked as pending delete. Now let's try to create a traffic control rule and see what happens. So we'll come to our traffic control page and let's see if we want to allow UDP communication between these two devices. So we'll save this rule and we will go to review this rule. And right off the bat, you can see this informational message right here that basically says chain sets are enabled and the applied rules would be added to the active chain sets. So we'll hit apply here and we will go to our policy management page here. And just like the delete, the addition also got marked as a pending add, and it got added into the pending rules and got associated with the active chain set test. So if an admin then comes into this chain set, the admin can see that the test chain set now has 2 active changes. The admin can then either apply the chain set if the admin is okay with all the changes in the chain set, delete the chain set if the admin is not okay with any of the changes in the chain set, or the admin can go to changes and make modification to the chain set. So let's say in this case, the traffic that we actually wanted was TCP instead of the UDP. So the admin can come and click on this pending add rule, double click on it, and then change the protocol from UDP to TCP and save it. Now the admin is happy with the changes that we have. So basically, once this chain set is applied, the ICMP rule will be deleted and then the TCP rule will be added. So let's come back here to the chain sets, and now the admin will click here and it would apply the chain sets. So once the chain set is applied, all the draft changes within the chain set is applied as well. And so the chain set is empty at that point and it gets automatically deleted. So let's come to the policy management page. And like we said, the ICMP rule got deleted and the TCP rule got added. Now, it's not necessary that the admin always has to apply the chain set. The admin may choose to reject the chain set. So let's create another chain set here, and let's create a chain set that basically says reject for now. And let's come to the policy management page again and mark this rule as delete. And like before, it gets marked as pending delete and goes to the pending rules, and it's currently associated with the reject chain set. So the admin will now come to the chain set and is not happy with the chain set. So the admin just chooses to delete the chain set. What will happen then is all the pending changes are discarded. That means the pending delete was discarded. That means the rule is still intact. So if we go to our policy management page, we should still see the rule as intact. Now, as you can see, I'm actually logged in as admin right now. And that is important because what kind of user is logged into the system determines what the user can do with the chain set. So an admin user has full control on the chain set. An admin user can create a chain set, delete a chain set, apply the chain set, make modifications and all that. We have two other type of users in our system, a super user and a read-only user. A super user can create a chain set and make modifications to it, but the super user does not have a permission to apply the chain set. And a read-only user can only read the chain set. So the read-only user does not have any permission to modify a chain set or create or delete a chain set. So that's it for today. If you have any question on this feature, please feel free to contact us via our website. It's veracity.io. Thank you and have a good day.